Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TRVN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the downtrend on this one continues, although what makes this interesting is that the last part of the day, got to give credit where credit's due, the bulls did show up very nicely. In fact, not only was the volume increasing, but the volume increasing, price increasing. Now, very clearly, there's still a lot more work that needs to be done. But my core point here is it's at least it's at least a rational thought to be having right now that, hey, maybe, just maybe, something, bigger is coming. Maybe the bulls are making an appearance. Let me really reiterate that. I'm not saying that that's all guaranteed to occur. Those don't exist. But, there does reach a point where are you at least thinking rationally? Are you at least making things that make sense relative to, how things are behaving? And right now, yeah, the price is behaving in the upwards direction. This was on increasing volume. So we'll see if this is the start of something bigger. And the first big test of this is going to be right here at the $2.17 mark. That was your former area of support, and now that that area has been broken, that would now be considered an area of resistance. That's just technical analysis 101. Now, if the price can work its way up there and break through that level, next key overarching level of resistance you would want to watch is that purple line right there, which on my chart denotes the very famous, the very well-known 50-period moving average. And you can see right there that that's where the price, has most recently been rejected. So keep a close eye on that too, but one hurdle at a time. Let's first see if the price can even get up to that level of resistance and then break through it. And then at that point, the 50-period moving average certainly becomes a little bit more relevant. As far as levels of support are concerned, key level to watch, in my opinion, going to be right here at $2.03. That's important because, if the price pulls back and then breaks below 203, well, that's essentially putting the price right back to where it was. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength. So keep an eye on that level from the support side of things. But as of right now, interesting setup. We'll see if this is going to lead to anything bigger or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.